Hello friends, hi! How are you doing? Today I'm going to cook for you 2 breast chicken parmesan. I never made this before, but I'm going to give it a try today and it should come out really good. I would really appreciate it if you could watch the video till the end. So let's get cooking and enjoy. Here I got 3 chicken breasts. Let's add a little bit of garlic salt. You can always add the spices of your choice. There are no hard and fast rules. Let's add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, a little bit of seasoning salt. You could also add some black peppercorns to give that peppery taste. I've got on my gloves to give it a good mix. I've just added a little bit of chili powder if you like it a little tangy. So we have 2 eggs here, whisking them to give a nice coat to the chicken. Here are the breadcrumbs. It's time to fry them. So let's get the pan ready. And the pan is nice and hot. Now we're going to add half a cube of butter. Let's add about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Just make sure that the pan is not too hot. Give the chicken a little bit of space between each piece so that they don't steam. Let them fry about 3 to 4 minutes on either side so that they turn golden brown. Whenever you fry anything, just make sure you never place the lid, because then it would steam up. If you're still watching, I would really appreciate it if you could give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you. Or we could give this a flip. Yeah, it's slowly turning brown. Nice and yummy. Now into the same pan we're going to make the sauce. We'll add a few green chilies, onion. Here I've got canned tomatoes. We'll add the whole thing. So we can let this cook for about 2 minutes till the raw flavor of the tomato goes away. Let's spice up the tomatoes with a little bit of ginger garlic, garam masala, that is optional, black peppercorns, garlic powder, oregano leaves. Wow, really get the flavors of all the spices. Let's give this a good mix. I forgot to add the salt. Let's add a little bit of salt. Wow, this is looking yummy yummy. So let's place the chicken over the sauce. Parmesan cheese above it. We're going to let it melt. Look at this, guys. Doesn't this look yummy? Time to make the pasta. Here I have angel hair pasta. Such a mess. Angel hair is such a mess.